I am not here to speak to someone who is not at all interested in listening to me. People give me 5 lakh rupees and call to USA to listen to me for 45 minutes. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಹಳ್ಳೆ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Mr. Malinath has taken so much of pains to start this college and get a guest and his friends just in 3 days. I have come here to see what my friend Mr. Malinath and the teaching faculty have taught to you and made you. If you are not interested in listening to me, I just, with all great respect to you, I request you to go out for 15 minutes. I will speak, even only one is there. Say Mrs. Malinath is also there. To one person also I am ready to speak. ಭಾಳ ಲಘುವಾಗಿ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು. I am speaking both in English and Kannada because I know a few of the students are from outside India. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾನು I am so careful that my words should not go waste. They should reach your mind and heart. When you are in the college, be a student. I was a student. I was also like you. People who were shouting and who were not attending classes, I saw them begging in the streets of Dharwad after 10 days when I was a class 1 officer. If you don't take use or better use of the college facilities, when Mr. Malinath and his wife are offering you so much of facilities, tuition fee, this one facilities and other coaching classes, take use of it. Be someone who can be proud of your place and about whom the place boasts of. Abraham Lincoln puts it in such a way that you should lead a life, you should become a person about whom the place or the college, the village from where you are coming should always say, they should be always proud of you and say, see, Mr. X belongs to our village. Mr. X belongs to, or Mrs. Let us say, because so many girls are there, this person belongs to our college. This person belongs to our district. They should boast of your personality. And always, you should be also proud of your places where you are born. You should be proud of your alma mater where you have been educated. The teacher should say, see, this XYZ student was once upon a time my student. So, grow up in that way. Be anything. ಏನಾದರೂ ಸರಿಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಮಾನವನ. Be a good human being first. Whether you are a scientist, you are an engineer, you are a doctor, you are an officer, or you are a sports person. Be whatever you want. But never forget the principles and values in your life. If character is lost, everything is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. Yes, ma'am. You are inspired by the speech. So, if health is lost, something else is lost. One is cooperating with me. Yes. So, you should have good health and good character, both. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಓದೋದು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂತ. Earlier, education was meant by only 3 things. 3 R's it was called: writing, reading and arithmetic. Arithmetic means calculation, ಗಣಿತ. ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೇಟ್, ಸೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ Montessori and others, Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhiji, Aurobindo Ghosh, Locke, Hobbes, so many thinkers have given their definitions. But the one defined by Mahatma Gandhiji about education is the best of all. Gandhiji called it as basic education. Nayi Talim he called it. ಜೀವನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ. ಏನು? ಜೀವನದೊಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್, whom were responsible to formulate him in that way, or the teachers or the administration, whatever it is, they are always worshipful. ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲು ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ, ಜನನಿ ತಾನೇ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರು. ಜನನಿಯಿಂದ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿತ ಜನರು ಧನ್ಯರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗುರು ದೇವೋಭವ, ಮಾತೃ ದೇವೋಭವ, ಪಿತೃ ದೇವೋಭವ. ಗುರುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಭಯ ಮತ್ತು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ, ಕಲಿಸುವವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಭಯ ಮತ್ತು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಗರಿಕ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಗರಿಕ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಗರಿಕ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಯಕ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನೀವು ಕಲಿತ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಥೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸದುಪಯೋಗಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟವರು ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ. ಬಿಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 3 R's to 3 H's. It was defined as the one which makes you